Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you forget your Gmail account password, then this video is for you. In today's video, we are going to recover our Gmail account password. So to do that, just open your Gmail app on your phone. Now just tap on this profile image here and tap on this add another account to add that Gmail account. Now just tap on this Google because it is Gmail. Now you have to write your Gmail address here. After writing the Gmail address correctly, just tap on this next. Tap on this forgot password. Now you can see this is our Gmail address and there is another Gmail address hint here, the recover Gmail address. Only you can recover your Gmail address password when you have added another Gmail as a recovery Gmail. Now what we have to do, just we have to log in this Gmail on our phone or another device and just check the inbox of this Gmail address. We will find a Gmail from Google where we will find a 6-digit of code. So I'm just writing code here. It is 910971. Unable to show it because it is another device. So just tap on this next. Now from here, if you want to change your password, then you just have to tap on this update password, or if you want to use it with as it is, then just tap on this continue. So for this tutorial, I'm just tapping this update password. Here you have to write the new password and you have to re-enter that new password. After doing this, just tap on this save password, but I'm going to skip this because I don't want to change my password. And if you change your password, then also you will be redirected on this page. Just tap on this agree. Now just tap on this save. And here we are. We have successfully recovered our Gmail password. So if you set a new password, then it is the password for your Gmail account. But remember, only you can recover your Gmail account if you added any recovered email address to your Gmail account. Otherwise, you will lose your Gmail. So basically, this is how you can do it. And if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.